Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Isle of Man green metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Isle of Man green metallic. We just saw the headlights do the Vivace welcome light shimmer, and we've got the full system on right now. That looks sweet. Let me do a lap all the way around. This color is so good, and I mean, there's a lot of nice green colors. A lot of people are not brave enough to have one, but Isle of Man green actually looks so good. I think this is definitely one that you could live with. And I don't know, I don't think I would get bored of this if I had this, but I would definitely be getting tons of attention with such an amazing color. So let's take a closer look at all the details. This is the beautiful Isle of Man green metallic, and if you're watching this with closed captions, it might sound like I'm saying I love man, as in I love men, but it's Isle of Man green metallic. This color was introduced in 2021 as the poster color for the G80 when it was first announced, and it's now moved on to a couple of different models, including the X5M, and I think it looks crazy on here. You'll see that we have a line on the hood here and another one on that side. BMW Rondell up front and center, one piece matte black kidney grille with the horizontal slats. X5M badging in black on the driver's side with the front-facing camera. Giant radar puck down here at the bottom. Headlights looking amazing with the double chevron design, and all these functional air pathways down here at the bottom for oil coolers, intercoolers, aerodynamics, and into the braking system. Now, if we take a closer look at these headlights, these are the Shadowline BMW LEDs, and got all those little patterns in there, and it looks really cool. I really like this front design on this X5M, that's for sure. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21 inch at the front and the 22 inch at the rear. So these are the Star Spoke 809M wheels in jet black burnish. And look at that, we've got the black M compound brake back there. So that looks sweet. And I really like the spoke design on this as well. And we've got a bit of a wide over fender here, and X5M air breather on the fender. And there's a body line that cuts down through here, another one that cuts over here, and then up into the rear door handle. And down here, I just wanted you to see that we've got the welcome light carpet right there, and we also have black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We also have the black roof rails, we've got the panoramic sunroof up top, we've got the new style antenna, and side profile view, definitely a sports activity vehicle design. And we've got this style door handle with touch comfort access on the front. Rear windows are a bit darker than the front windows. Hofmeister kink is here. There's your rear 809M wheel with the black caliper. And up top, we got a bit of a spoiler here. We have a rear wiper arm, and from the back you can see that we have the double L-shape tail lights, and they're stacked and they make like an X design, which is kind of cool. And you just saw the Vivace welcome tail light animation, so that is sweet. We have the BMW Rondell here, and if you look at the actual rear profile, it's pretty sporty because it kind of like slants back down a little bit. Spot here for the rear license plate, vertical reflectors on the widest sections at the bottom, and of course X5M Competition badging in black. Let's see that animation again, looks so cool. We've got the quad exhaust, and you can kind of see how they're positioned. Rear diffusers back here as well, and a quick peek underneath. You can see that we've got the muffler down here. So I've got the key with me, so let's go ahead and kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. And once this opens up, someone did some creative vacuuming back here. We have a cargo cover. There's a button up here that you can press that releases the cargo cover in case you'd like to release it. And once it comes out, underneath here, we've got some carpeted mats, front plate bracket, some storage space. This is the spot where you can store the cargo cover. We have the tow hook, the wheel lock key. And if I bring this back down, so this can raise or lower the lower tailgate portion. We have a 12-volt plug, positive battery terminal. We have a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger. And if I lift this up, we've got a tire inflator kit, tire sealant in there. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. But the X5M does have kick. So we'll get this to close the hands-free way. That looks sweet. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise one click. You just have to shut the door. Now if we go ahead and open up that rear door, so you'll see that we have the beautiful black merino leather interior. We've got some nice stitching. I love this pattern on the inside here with some nice soft touch. And we've got the manual sunshade on the rear window. We've got some emerald ambient light. We have some carbon fiber, some door pockets, illuminating aluminum M door sill. There's the merino leather seats with the M tricolor seat belts. And on the shoulder, there's a release to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. The outer headrest can flip up or flip down. Armrest in the center. Storage space is here. Cup holders over there. And once this is down, you can find the string back here to pull down for the center pass-through. And on the back of each front seat, we've got the accessory port with the USB Type-C in there. Oops. And down here, we've got the winter mats. There's more illumination and ventilation underneath. Pockets on the back of each seat. We've also got some rear climate controls, vents on the back of the center console, heated seats for the two outer positions, a storage area, and down at the bottom there is a 12-volt plug and two USB Type-C charging ports. And up top, you'll see that we have the Sky Lounge panoramic sunroof, and there's some reading lights, handle with coat hanger, another coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar, and some more vents on the back of the B-pillar. So overall, back seating area is really nice. Let's shut this door and we'll open the front one next. All right, and here we are at the front. We got the welcome light carpet on the passenger side. Open that up. So we've got the nice stitching going across. We've got massage chair, memory, Harman Kardon sound system, door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, spot here, ambient light, door pockets, nice stitching across here as well. And down here, X5M Competition door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, and headrest height is adjustable with power, and we've got the illuminating X5M there on the headrest, and we've got the M tricolor seat belts. Roof liner is also black Alcantara, and here we have new vent design, carbon fiber trim on the dash, nice stitching on the dash. We've got the Interaction M light bar. Down here, more stitching across, illuminated glove box. We have iDrive 8.5 with the M specific display, and we've also got more vents down here. Open that up. There's a wireless charger, USB-A, heated and cooled cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's your M gear selector with the M tricolor stitching going around and the M emblazoned on the top. Red push start button, iDrive controller, more stitching going along the side here, which is great. And if I press this, this can open up. There's a USB Type-C in there, and the armrests heat with the heated seats. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. We've got massage chair, This button makes it so the driver's seat controls the passenger seat. We also have your door pull, unlock, lock, side mirror controls, window controls, tailgate release. More pockets down here, illuminating aluminum M door sill. And again, full power seat. And I love the Sky Lounge sunroof. So you can't see it that well because it's so bright in here, but the edge is lit up in the ambient light color, and those little dots reflect it so you can kind of see it a bit better. And we've got the steering wheel with the M tricolor stitching, M at 6 o'clock, head-up display, carbon fiber shift paddles on each side with the red grip on the back, and we've got the red M1 config, M2 config. This also has all the self-parking options, so front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. You can also pre-record a parking path with this and have it repeated again and again. And we've got the 3D view. You can also see this through the My BMW app. We also have the car wash view to help you align yourself to get in the car wash. And in terms of the driving settings themselves, we have all the cruise control things. So Assisted Driving Plus allows you to have cruise control mitigating the speed, distance to the car in front of you, steering for you, change lanes for you, and all with no hands on the steering wheel, or like the Germans would say, enables you to assume a more comfortable hand position in suitable driving situations. And here we've got some buttons for your garage door opener, 3 buttons, SOS for roadside up here, and sunroof controls. The visor comes down, light turns on, this can come out, it can also extend. And down here, we've got the little carbon fiber corner here. There's a storage compartment. There's your pedals, and here's your hood release 2 times, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here, you just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. We have 617 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is that post right there. Negative battery terminal is this post here. Washer fluid over here. Beautiful engine bay, and look at this huge strut brace going around here for rigidity. There's some more going across there as well. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, one here, so they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway down, you literally just have to center down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to get one more lap all the way around so we can get a chance to really see this car, especially from some longer range angles, because this car definitely looks amazing. And it is available for sale, so if you are interested, contact me right away. And we've found ourselves at the back here. Let's do a remote engine start cold start. I've got the key, it says 3 times on it, so 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 again to shut it off. How did you like that V8 cold start sound? Let me know in the comments below. And now that we've done that, how do you like this spec? Isle of Man green metallic with the black merino leather inside. What do you think? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 M Competition in Isle of Man green metallic with the black merino leather inside. We've got the advanced driver assist, we've got all the self-parking. This car's got everything. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.